Too much history, have you make it so hard for live, yeah. What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me, Nekeisha, and whatever. And I'm back again with another video. I finally found some free time to actually record a video. So, today's video we'll be doing my unpopular opinions. I've been trying to do this video for a while, but feel me, it is what it is. We're gonna start this off with a banger. Well, not a banger, but I'm gonna just say what I gotta say. Alright, so boom. Stealing somebody's man is not cute. Period. That whole mindset is not cute. Why would you want to do that? Like, that's not cute. Going after somebody that already has a relationship, that is not cute at all. You need to get your life together, sis. And also for boys too, stealing somebody's girl, TYB, that's not cute either. Period. My next unpopular opinion. YouTube couples are dragged out. Literally, people are just getting into relationships so they can make a YouTube channel. Like, why waste your time? Why waste your time? Why? There's no point. There is no point. Oh, pretty perks is a thing. If you don't know what pretty perks are, it's basically when you're someone, girl, man, whoever, and your looks favor society's mold of what's beautiful. So it's kind of like, because you're pretty or because you're cute or because you're attractive, things kind of come a little bit easier to you, which is true. I don't care what anybody has to say. I see it all of the time, and it's true. It's true. Blueface, whatever his name is, I think his name is Blueface, the one that sings "Us Down, Tatiana." He is so trash. Oh my god. Anybody who can honestly sit there with headphones and listen to his music is just weird. Like, what is he even saying, bro? Like, Blueface is, to me, is like, he's on the same level as Ice JJ Fish. Like, they're on the same boat. They both just trash, but it's funny. So that's why they up there. I say less. Wingstop. Oh my god. This stresses me out. Wingstop is so overrated. It's crazy. They shouldn't even have commercials on TV. Because, okay, one, I'm Caribbean. Two, chicken is my favorite food. So when I heard about Wingstop, I was like, it's lit. Especially when there was one right down the block from my house. And I was like, say word. So I go into Wingstop, you know, all happy or whatever. About to go get some wings. So I got, I got their honey barbecue wings and the lemon pepper. That was my first time. When I tell you that chicken had no flavor, the only flavor was on the skin. That's not the vibe. If I don't taste flavor all the way through, like to the meat, to the bone, is nasty. Like, I mean, you don't even gotta go to the bone. Just on the meat. I just need some flavor in the meat, that's it. And I tried Wingstop 3 times. Each time I tried a different type of chicken. I tried their boneless. The boneless was okay, feel me? It wasn't that bad. But I don't like boneless chicken because I feel a little iffy about boneless chicken because I know chickens have bones. So Wingstop is trash, that's it. However though, Taco Bell. Taco Bell is where it's at. Taco Bell is underrated. Taco Bell it's supposed to be as hyped as Chick-fil-A. Like, Taco Bell is the bomb.com, and everybody needs to eat Taco Bell. It's good for your heart and your soul. Carmex is better than Blistex. That's all I have to say. I'm not saying nothing else. So there's been this new trend with cranberry juice. And it's really been triggering me because cranberry juice is nasty. It is so nasty to me. Like, I've only had cranberry juice like one time and it was bomb. Other than that, Cranberry Juice is nasty. And I know, oh my God, I remember growing up, everybody hated Cranberry Juice. But now, because everybody's saying, oh, that is good for your punani or whatever, now everybody loves Cranberry Juice. Like, come on. First it was pineapples. Everybody loved pineapples. Now it's Cranberry Juice. Watch, it's going to be bananas next, and now everybody's going to love bananas. Pizza Hut is the best pizza, period. Papa John's is racist. Domino's takes too long to deliver. Pizza Hut is just perfect. And I ain't never tasted nothing better than Pizza Hut. If you taste something better than Pizza Hut, let me know so I could go taste it. But I doubt you have. I don't know if I said this, but Nicki Minaj is the queen of rap, period. Period. I don't care what nobody has to say. As of our era, my generation, Nicki Minaj is the queen. We grew up with her, singing all of her songs. She's the queen. I don't want to hear nothing else. Cardi who? What? I don't speak that language. The Taylor Girls. For me, Taylor Girls are the most underrated artists, whatever you want to call them. Artists, entertainers. They are so underrated, and I can't wait for them to get their time to shine, because the Taylor Girls are so funny, they're so beautiful, and their music is bomb. Like, how many of their songs went viral already, and they still, like, I still feel like they should be further with their career than where they are. Like, I don't know, I can't describe it, but I just feel like they should be more up. Girls can shoot their shot. If you're a girl, do not be scared to shoot your shot, okay? It is 2019. Shooting your shot as a girl, it is normalized. We, in 2019, us girls, we are the niggas. That's the way it is, period. Period, that whole thing, who made that? The City Girls, right? Yeah, the City Girls. Period. That's all I have to say. Period. It's ghetto. It's ratchet. I love it. Period. So Black, but he is underrated. He is so underrated to me. His music is like, it just touches my soul. I'm gonna get really deep because I love him. His music is great. It touches my soul. It's amazing. Like, I feel like he needs more recognition, and I just don't think he has enough. I remember when I found him, he was not that poppin', and you know, he's getting more poppin', but he's still not that poppin'. He's another one of those artists where I feel like, along with the Taylor Girls, I feel like he needs way more recognition. And people in this society, they just pay attention to the wrong things, and they're just also, ugh. The Ace family, why are they still here? Why are they still making videos? Why are they making documentaries like they're presidents or something? Like, nobody cares. They're annoying, very irritating. And the guy, I think his name is Austin. His wife, I have no idea what her name is. And that shows a lot, because if they're like together and they're like a couple or whatever, they should both be known. Like, he's always, I feel like he's like the ringleader, and she just kind of trails along, and that is not cute. And they just need to relax. I feel like they just need to relax. They're up here and they just need to relax. They're doing the most. So I'm coming to the end, so I'm gonna hit this one out. Being dark skinned, I'm not gonna say being dark skinned, I'm gonna say dark skin is a trend. Black is a trend. Chocolate skin is a trend. Hear me out. Growing up, all the little black boys, all the little dark skinned boys, nobody wanted them. Nobody wanted a black boy. Everybody wanted light skin. But now here we are in 2019, and everybody wants a dark skin. Everybody wants a dark skinned man. Everybody wants a dark skinned girl. Everybody wants a black boy, want a black girl. No, don't touch me. Because when I was younger, you used to turn off the lights and say you couldn't see me. But now you want to be in my face? I think not. Turn them lights off. Now I can't see you. period. Like, and that's what I mean. Now it's a trend, and now everybody wants to have a dark-skinned man, dark-skinned girl, dark-skinned this, dark-skinned that. Oh my God, dark skin. Oh my God, black is beautiful. And I love it, but I just wish that that's not how it had to be in order for us to be appreciated. Like, I don't mind it, but I'm just saying, like, it's just a very weird type of thing. I don't really know how to express what I'm trying to say, but I hope you guys kind of get what I'm trying to say. Sorry, my best friend called me and she interrupted my video. But anyway, I don't even remember what I was saying, but I'm gonna just keep going. Self-care accounts are the best things ever because I've had so much help from them. I've learned so much. I honestly don't even need to go to school anymore because I've learned so much. But I'm gonna stay in school because I have to. Okay. My next unpopular opinion. This stuff right here, I had to get it. Y'all needed a visual. Edge booster, is it? Okay. Yeah, this stuff right here. Listen, honey, snatched. Edges don't move. I have 4C hair. That's the hardest hair there is. Edges 4C, everything is 4C. Just the back is like 4B, but everything else 4C. When I tell you my edges don't move, I mean they move, but that's like after the whole day, after I've done went to practice and I was sweating, I fell asleep in class, feel me? Like, it doesn't move. So Edge Booster is the best edge control ever. Eco Styler is trash. Goodbye. Okay, so my last and final unpopular opinion is that our generation is too focused on money. Now, what I mean by that is just that it's gotten to our heads a little bit, and it's to the point where ain't nothing wrong with having money, ain't nothing wrong with wanting money, but it's to the point where people are doing things illegally to get money, people are scamming, people feel like, oh, if me and you aren't on the same level financially, then we can't date. Like, I can't date someone that's broke, or I can't be friends with someone that's broke. And I just feel like that's so weird. And it's just crazy to me because it's just like, come on, bro. Like, not everybody can have it like that, and not everybody is on the same path as you. Just because you up here and we're down here, or we're up here and you're down here, doesn't mean we can't, you know, be friends, or if we can't be together as one. You get what I'm saying? So I see people do it all the time. They're like, oh, why are you talking to her? Like, she's broke. Like, I'm just like, so just because she's broke doesn't mean we can't be friends, doesn't mean I can't talk to her. Feel me? Like, everybody's just so materialistic in our society. Hope you guys get what I'm saying. But yeah, that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you disagree with anything down below, if you disagree with anything, just comment down below and we can argue in the comments. No, I'm just kidding. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Check out my new videos as well. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.